Hi everyone. Now we can see real-time AI chatbot implementation in website. In this we are using Python, machine learning algorithms and JSON datasets, HTML, CSS, images, JavaScript also. So now we can see training code. In this training code, we imported the libraries for training part and also we trained the dataset models. We have JSON format models. We trained the all details inside array. In this we are using for training DFI, DF and MLP technique using to train these models. Now we can start training part. In this training command, Python train.py for running command. If I give training command, it will train it. So in this models was saved in pickle format and we can get accuracy also. The trained model was dumped in pickle format and in this we are using in testing code. Now we can see testing code. This is a training code of code. In this we are using libraries for AI chatbot. In this we can give input voice and text. If we give text, it will respond with voice and text. Now we can check testing code running command is python test.py. If we run, it will get output in terminal. So in this we have data set. If in this and all are trained, if I give any input from JSON file, it will give response with in terminal. Now we can see a response message with voice. In this we how to implement it in website. Now we can see. For that we are using Flask framework and HTML files and JavaScript and CSS also in this. So this is the main code of Flask. In this we imported the library and we defined the Flask framework. Socket ID also we are using in this and we defined the JSON file and this is for routing for website. This route for message response. If we give any message, it will respond in website. Now we can check. Open the terminal. We can run this main file. For that Python app.py is the running command of main code. If we give, we get one URL. We can copy or else control plus enter. If we give like this, it will directly open in website. I'm using Chrome browser for this. So now we can see in output. This is the website output homepage. My local host is running on 5000. Inside HTML file, we imported the libraries for website. This is the nav bar of in this website. We have home, about us, and products and contact us also. In this, we are using carousel. Like we can use more images in slides. If we click slides, it will display another images. Like this, it will work. And this is about us. In this also we using HTML and CSS. We can style with this text and this is our product. In this we have more images for our products. In this we are using more styles like animations and everything we have used. This is full responsive website. If we change to mobile view, it will change. Responsive also is there. This is the contact page of this website. Now we can check chatbot. In this we give any input, we will get any response also. Now we can see if I give a hi, in this we get one response. In this we have JSON format. This was the trained models. If I give another input, it will come in response. Now we can check that it is another one input. Now we can check this response message. In this we have another one button. If we click in chatbot, we can order with using email products. I will show you. If we click enter button, it will open one form. Now I can give some any test purpose like that. Name is test. Email also test1 test@gmail.com. Mobile number also we can give any some numbers, and also we can select products. In this I can give solid state drives, and quantity also we can give. If I choose 5 means it will come, and also we can give address also. Bangalore. This is address. If I send email is successfully, now we can check in output. This is my email. In this we are using web3 forms for getting response. And now we can check. I gave test. This is my email, name and phone number, product name with quantity and address also. Like this we can order, and also we can close. If chat is not satisfied means we can contact us. If I give satisfied, yes means it will close, or else no means it will go to open contact form. If you give any name, in message we have any queries means we can check with this website person. I will give some sample text. In this also we can check in email chat. In this website admin can get this email. In this I'm only admin, so I can get email. So now we can check email and name, and I have queries message also. Like this it will work. Thank you.